Hey gearheads, welcome to the future of driving. Jay Leno here, and let's talk electric cars. These aren't just any cars, they're the future of transportation. They're not just a fad, they're here to stay. Charging stations are popping up everywhere, from busy urban areas to remote locations, making it easier than ever to own an electric vehicle. Remember when cell phones were bricks? Now they're mini computers. The same evolution is happening with electric cars. Early models were bulky and limited, but today's electric cars are sleek, efficient, and packed with technology. Electric cars are evolving fast. Engineers and designers are constantly pushing the boundaries, making them more efficient, faster, and more affordable. The advancements in battery technology alone are staggering, allowing for longer ranges and quicker charging times. The first electric car was invented in the 1830s, believe it or not. It was a groundbreaking invention at the time, but it didn't catch on due to the limitations of the technology. But batteries were bulky and gasoline engines took over. Gasoline engines became the standard because they were more powerful and convenient, but they also brought pollution and a dependence on fossil fuels. Now, with climate change and tech advancements, electric cars are back in a big way. The push for cleaner energy and sustainable living has reignited interest in electric vehicles. Solar panels and renewable energy sources are now being used to power these cars, making them even more eco-friendly. More and more people are switching to electric. Why? Because they're not just good for the environment, they're also cost-effective in the long run. With fewer moving parts, electric cars require less maintenance, saving you money on repairs and servicing. They're quiet, quick, and good for the planet. The silent operation of electric cars means less noise pollution, and their quick acceleration makes them fun to drive. Plus, with zero emissions, they're a win for the environment. Plus, you can charge them at home, like your cell phone. Imagine waking up every morning to a fully charged car, ready to take you wherever you need to go. No more trips to the gas station, just plug in and charge overnight. Electric car owners love the convenience and the savings. Many have shared their positive experiences, highlighting the benefits of lower running costs and the joy of driving a high-tech vehicle. Governments around the world are also encouraging the switch to electric by offering incentives, tax rebates, and subsidies. These financial benefits make it even more attractive to go electric. The future of electric cars is even more exciting. We're looking at autonomous electric vehicles that can drive themselves, making transportation safer and more efficient. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the performance aspect. Electric cars are making waves in the world of motorsports, proving that they can be just as thrilling and competitive as their gasoline counterparts. The electric car community is growing, with enthusiasts sharing knowledge, tips, and their passion for this revolutionary technology. It's not just about driving, it's about being part of a movement towards a cleaner, greener future. Educational programs are also promoting awareness about electric vehicles, teaching the next generation about the importance of sustainable transportation. Kids today are learning about the benefits of electric cars and how they can contribute to a healthier planet. Electric cars are making their mark in global markets, with a variety of models available to suit different needs and preferences. From compact city cars to luxurious sedans and powerful SUVs, there's an electric car for everyone. The charging infrastructure is also rapidly developing, with new stations being installed regularly. This expansion is crucial for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles, ensuring that drivers have access to charging points wherever they go. Renewable energy sources like wind turbines and solar farms are increasingly being used to power electric cars, further reducing their environmental impact. This synergy between clean energy and electric vehicles is a key component of a sustainable future. Innovations in electric car technology continue to amaze, with advancements in battery life, charging speed, and overall performance. The future of electric cars is bright, and we're just at the beginning of this exciting journey. So gearheads, the electric revolution is here, and it's changing the way we think about driving. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just curious about the future of transportation, there's never been a better time to explore the world of electric cars. Join the revolution and be part of the change. Let's talk eco-friendly. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions. That means cleaner air for everyone. Plus, electricity generation is getting cleaner with solar and wind power. Electric cars are cheaper to run too. Electricity costs less than gasoline per mile, and fewer moving parts mean less maintenance, no more oil changes. Now let's address the elephant in the room: range anxiety. Electric cars can't go as far as gas cars on a single charge yet. But battery technology is improving rapidly. Charging time is another issue. It takes longer than filling up a gas tank. But again, things are improving. Fast chargers can juice up your car in minutes, not hours. When you think electric cars, you think Tesla. Elon Musk's company changed the game. They made electric cars cool, fast, and desirable. Tesla's Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y are all top sellers. They offer impressive range, performance, and that futuristic Tesla design. Section 5. The Volkswagen ID family. German engineering goes electric. Volkswagen, the maker of the iconic Beetle, is going all in on electric. Their ID family of cars offers a range of options for different needs. From the compact ID, 3 to the spacious ID. Buzz, an electric minivan, Volkswagen is showing that electric cars can be practical and stylish. Section 6. Other players in the electric car game. It's not just Tesla and Volkswagen. Every major car maker is jumping on the electric bandwagon. We're talking Ford, Chevrolet, Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, you name it. From affordable hatchbacks to luxury SUVs, there's an electric car for everyone. And the competition is heating up, which is good news for consumers. But let's dive deeper into what these companies are bringing to the table. Ford, for instance, has made significant strides with its Mustang Mach-E, an electric SUV that combines performance with practicality. Chevrolet, on the other hand, has its Bolt EV, which is known for its impressive range and affordability. Nissan, a pioneer in the electric car market with its Leaf, continues to innovate with newer models that offer better range and features. Hyundai and Kia are not far behind, with models like the Kona Electric and the Niro EV, which have been well received for their efficiency and design. BMW and Audi are focusing on the luxury segment, with the i3 and the e-tron respectively, offering premium features and cutting-edge technology. Mercedes-Benz is also in the game with its EQC, a luxury electric SUV that promises both comfort and performance. The variety doesn't end there. There are electric trucks like the Rivian R1T and the Ford F-150 Lightning, which are set to revolutionize the pickup truck market. For those looking for something more compact, there are options like the Mini Electric and the Honda E, which are perfect for city driving. The competition among these manufacturers is driving innovation at a rapid pace. Battery technology is improving, charging infrastructure is expanding, and prices are becoming more competitive. This is a win-win situation for consumers, as they now have more choices than ever before. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a luxury vehicle, or something in between, there's an electric car out there for you. Charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, making it easier for electric car owners to find charging stations. Advances in battery technology are leading to longer ranges and shorter charging times. With more options and better technology, the future of electric cars looks bright. So whether you're an early adopter or just starting to consider an electric vehicle, there's never been a better time to make the switch. The electric car market is more vibrant and diverse than ever, offering something for everyone. The road ahead is electric, and it's an exciting journey for all of us. Section 7. Batteries, the heart of the matter. The battery is the most important part of an electric car. It's like the engine and the fuel tank combined. Battery technology is constantly evolving. We're seeing improvements in range, charging speed, and lifespan. Solid-state batteries, the next big thing, promise even greater performance and durability. Section 8. Charging forward. Building the infrastructure. For electric cars to succeed, we need a robust charging infrastructure. Think of it like gas stations, but for electrons. Governments and private companies are investing heavily in charging stations. You can find them in cities, along highways, and even at your workplace. Section 9. The future is electric, but when? So when will electric cars take over? This question has been on the minds of many for years. The transition from gasoline to electric vehicles is not just a technological shift, but a cultural and economic one as well. It's hard to say for sure. There are numerous factors at play, including advancements in battery technology, government policies, and consumer adoption rates. But the writing is on the wall. The automotive industry is investing heavily in electric vehicle technology, with major manufacturers announcing plans to phase out gasoline engines. Many countries plan to ban the sale of new gasoline cars in the coming decades. For instance, the European Union aims to end the sale of internal combustion engine vehicles by 2035. As battery technology improves and prices come down, electric cars will become the norm. Innovations in battery efficiency, charging infrastructure, and renewable energy sources are making electric vehicles more accessible and practical for everyday use. Imagine a world where families use electric cars for their daily commutes, reducing their carbon footprint and contributing to a cleaner environment. It's not just personal vehicles. Electric trucks and buses are also becoming more common, revolutionizing public transportation and logistics. Solar-powered charging stations are popping up, providing a sustainable way to power these vehicles. Even the world of motorsports is embracing the electric revolution, with electric car racing events gaining popularity. The conversation around electric vehicles is growing, with more people recognizing the benefits and potential of this technology. The future is electric, folks. It's not a matter of if, but when. The transition is already underway, and it's an exciting time to be a part of this movement. Section 10. The price tag. Are electric cars worth it? Here's the thing. Electric cars are still more expensive upfront than gas cars, but remember, you save money on fuel and maintenance. Plus, there are government incentives and tax breaks that can make electric cars more affordable. Do your research and crunch the numbers. Section 11. So, are you ready to go electric? Electric cars are becoming more mainstream every day. They offer a quieter, cleaner, and more technologically advanced driving experience. Are you ready to join the electric revolution? It's an exciting time to be a car enthusiast.